And an answer came directed in handwriting unexpected. In truth I think 'twas written with a thumbnail dipped in tar. 'Twas his shearing mate who wrote it, and verbatim I will quote it. Clancy's gone to Queensland droving, and we don't know where he are. In my wild erratic fancy, visions come to me of Clancy, gone a droving down the Cooper where the western drovers go. As the stock are slowly stringing, he rides behind them singing, for the drover's life has pleasures that the townsfolk never know. And the bush has friends to greet him, and their kindly voices meet him, the murmur of the breezes and the river on its bars. And he sees the vision splendid of the sunlit plains extended, and at night the wondrous beauty of the everlasting stars. I am sitting in my dingy little office, where a stingy ray of sunlight struggles down to us between the buildings tall, and the fetid air and gritty of the dirty, dusty city, coming through the open windows, spreads its foulness over all. And instead of lowing cattle, I can hear the fiendish rattle of the tramways and the buses as they hurtle down the street, and the voices uninviting of the gutter children fighting come fitfully and faintly o'er the endless tramp of feet. And their hurried footsteps daunt me, and their pallid faces haunt me, as they jostle one another in their nervous rush and haste. And their eager eyes and greedy, and their stunted forms and weedy, for the townsman has no time to grow, he has no time to waste. And I'd often rather fancy to take a turn with Clancy, to take a turn at droving where the seasons come and go, while he faced the round eternal of the cash book and the journal. But I doubt he'd suit the office, Clancy of the Overflow. Thank you.